Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the third video of this sequence. The first one we discuss arithmetic sequence, second one geometric sequence, and the third one what we are going to discuss is quadratic sequence. Quadratic sequence is basically what? In quadratic sequence, whenever you will find the second difference is same, so this sequence is called the quadratic sequence. How you can find this thing? Let's understand with the help of one of the example. Here is the example. These numbers are given and we don't know is this an arithmetic sequence or the geometric or quadratic. Now let's check. हम कैसे चेक करेंगे? We will take the difference of these two. What is the difference of 2 and 1? Then 2 and 4, then 4 and 7, and then 7 and 11. What is the difference between 1 and 2? 2 minus 1 is 1. The difference between 4 and 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. The difference between 7 and 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 11 and 7, the difference is 4. So you can see that the common difference is not equal. It means this is not arithmetic sequence. But we can see that if we will take the difference of second level, for example, if we take the difference of 2 and 1, 2 and 3, 3 and 3 and 4. So here you will find, because always this is in the shape of y, here this one 1, 1 and 1. So in all of these one you will find the second level difference is same. If the second level difference is same, this is called what? Quadratic sequence. For the quadratic sequence, the general formula is this. Here is the general formula for the nth term. an square plus bn plus c. This is the general formula for nth term of quadratic sequence. So now we need to know what are the values of a, b and c. Then we will substitute these values, we will find the sequence. जैसे हमें a, b और c की वैल्यू मिल गई, a, b और c की वैल्यू हम यहाँ सब्सिट्यूट करेंगे और हमें nth टर्म का जनरल फार्मूला मिल जाएगा जो हम तमाम इक्वेशंस में पहले भी तलाश करते आए हैं. Let's understand this concept with the help of one of the example. Let's suppose one of the question is given that find the nth term of this sequence and what's this sequence is, what is the name of this sequence, and the sequence is given 5, 18, 35, 56, 81 and so on. So we will check first of all is the difference same or not. So we will check the difference of 18 and 5, then 35 18, then 56 35 and 81 56. So we can see that 18 minus 5, here you will find 13, then here you will find 17, then 21 and then 25. It means the common difference is not same. If the common difference is not same, it means this is not the arithmetic sequence. ये अर्थमेटिक सीक्वेंस नहीं है क्योंकि इसका कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं है. 18 माइनस 5 13 है, 35 माइनस 18 17, तो अलग अलग नंबर आ गए. नाउ वी विल चेक द सेकेंड डिफरेंस, द डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस सेकेंड लाइन. सो वी विल चेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ 13 एंड 17, then 21 17, then 25 and 21. Let's see what are the difference. So here you will find 4, 21 minus 17 again 4, 25 minus 21 again 4. Now you can see that the difference is same. At the first level, जब हमने फर्स्ट लेवल इसका क्वेश्चन का किया तो हमने देखा कि डिफरेंस सेम नहीं आया, लेकिन सेकंड लेवल पे ये डिफरेंस सेम आ गया. It means this sequence is a quadratic sequence. Whenever you will find the difference same at the second level, this one is the quadratic sequence. तो ये बात कंफर्म हो गई कि ये quadratic sequence है. Now for the quadratic sequence, as we know that this one is the formula. Here is the formula we have, but for this one we need the value of a, b and c. अब a, b और c की वैल्यू हम इनकी मदद से मालूम करेंगे. For finding the value of A, B, C, you have to write 3 equations. In all of these questions, you have to write these equations here. What are these equations? You will start from the bottom. Here you will write 2A is equal to 4, जो आपका सेकेंड डिफरेंस आ रहा था. Here 3A plus B is equal to 13, ये जो आपका फर्स्ट नंबर था यहाँ का. और यहाँ पर A प्लस B प्लस C इज इक्वल टू 5. तो ये 3 इक्वेशंस आपको लिख देनी है. यू हैव टू राइट दीज 3 इक्वेशंस. दिस रेड कलर थिंग विल बी सेम फॉर ऑल द क्वेश्चन. हर क्वेश्चन में आपको ये लिखना है. नाउ वी सॉल्व दीज 3 इक्वेशंस सेपरेटली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सॉल्व द लास्ट वन. दिस वन इज 2A is equal to 4. I am talking about this one. 2A is equal to 4. So let's solve 2A is equal to 4. It means A is equal to 4 upon 2, 2 1 times 2, 2 2 times 4. So A is equal to 2. हमें A की वैल्यू मिल गई. The value of A is 2. Now after solving this equation, we have solved this equation. Comes to the second one. This one is 3A plus B is equal to 13. So here we will put the value of A. हमें A की वैल्यू मालूम है, so we will put the value of A here. We will write 3 times 2, दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, plus B is equal to 13. So 3 2 times 6 plus B is equal to 13. So here you can write B is equal to 13 minus 6. So whenever you will perform 13 minus 6, you will find 7. B is equal to 7. So now you know what is the value of B. After finding the value of A and B, you will solve for the third equation. Third equation was A plus B plus C is equal to 5. A plus B plus C is equal to 5. I save one another question for you, but for that question I will erase this one. A plus B sorry, A plus B plus C is equal to 5. So here in place of A you will write 2, plus B you will write 7, plus C is equal to 5. 7 plus 2 9, plus C is equal to 5. So C is equal to 5 minus 9, and 5 minus 9 is 4. So now we have successfully find all the values of 3 variables A, B, C. This is the value of A, that is 2, the value B, that is 7, the value C, that is 4. तीनों की हमने वैल्यूज़ मालूम कर ली A, B और C की सिंपल अलजेब्रिकल मेथड्स के ज़रिए. Now we will substitute these values in our formula. What was the formula? यहाँ मैं दोबारा लिख देता हूँ. That was Tn nth term is equal to an square plus bn plus c. That was the formula. Now we will put the value. A is 2, so in place of A I will write 2. Tn is equal to 2n square. B is 7 plus 7n, and C is, this one is minus 4, this one is minus 4. So 2n square plus 7n minus 4 is the formula of nth term of this sequence. How you can check? You can check also. Substitute n is equal to 1. When you will put n is equal to 1, you will find what is the first term. When you will put n is equal to 2, you will find the second term. And when you will put n is equal to 3, you can find the third term. So this one is our required nth term formula for the quadratic sequence for this given sequence. Here I keep one more sequence for you. You can see the sequence was 6, 11, 18, 27, 38. So here also you can see whenever I took first level difference, the first level difference was not same. You can see the numbers was plus 5, plus 7, plus 9. So first level difference was not equal. And when we took second level difference, 7 minus 5, 9 minus 7, I took the same thing. It means second level difference was same. It means this one is quadratic sequence. And quadratic sequence, we have to use this formula as we discussed. Tn is equal to an square plus bn plus c. So we will make these three equations. You can see 2a is equal to this, 3a plus b is equal to this, a plus b plus c is equal to this. Now you will solve all these three equations for finding the values of a, b and c, just like I told you earlier. Put it here in place of a, b and c. So you will find the nth term formula for this quadratic sequence. So I hope that you understand this thing. Try more questions. In case of any query, you can write the comment. I am waiting for your comment. Don't forget to drop a comment, like and share. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.